pleases me now to draw back with a light, plain reason, such a song that she may hear it, she to whom my whole heart bows down. For in her excess she parts me from herself and pushes me away. She's so strange to mercy that it doesn't please her that joy should come to me. I don't know if I'm dying or living or coming or going, for I serve a strange evil Lord who doesn't set me even a distant term, that ever a day toward me she would measure herself. And the more I stand head bowed to her, she doesn't hear any of my prayers. Instead, I know that the good things people tell me of her will kill me openly. She pretends too much to be true toward me, for she doesn't make me even one vain promise, such that I might receive something from it. I wouldn't want her to be so fine to me. She makes me eager and makes me endure, long for her in whom I put my effort, until she softens toward me. There won't be joy that ever comes back to me. But still I come back through one hope, for I think that a noble heart softens when one begs for mercy. And so I strive there and wait for the joy from which I endure. With joined hands I give myself to her with a faithful heart, and let her know well if she takes me, that never did a lady have a better friend, without a changeable heart nor a truer one. If only she'd have so much mercy on me, for she's sovereign of worth, that she'd give me back the joys I thought of. And since she doesn't guess it, I'll put myself at risk, and may God guard me from shame. For I have it in my heart to complain to her that she should keep me as her liege man. May God will, since I don't turn elsewhere or complain toward another part, if I beg her for mercy, that I not be shamed, or that love grant me this much. But the envious ones who make themselves prophets, let them be made to think that she gives me the rich, worthy, sovereign joy of which I have nothing but the desire.